Hey, so if you're having login issues with Mailchimp, yeah, like you can't sign in, password not working, or the page keeps loading, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your email and password are correct. I mean, small typing mistakes are super common. Next, yeah, use the forgot password option. I mean, this fixes most login failures instantly. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, slow or unstable connection can stop login requests. Yeah, corrupted cache can block login sessions. Clearing your browser cache often fixes the issue. Now, extensions can interfere with login scripts. Try disabling them temporarily. Yeah, incognito mode helps bypass cached data and extension issues. I mean, this is a quick test. Now, sometimes the issue is on their side. I mean, server downtime can prevent login. Yeah, try logging in from another browser like Chrome or Firefox. I mean, this helps rule out browser issues. If nothing works, contact Mailchimp support. I mean, your account may need manual recovery. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp login issues. Most of the time, it's password errors, cache problems, or server issues. Try these steps and you should be able to log in again. Thanks for watching.